Oh, hey guys, I don't know if that bacon video come back to bite me in the ass or what, but doing some chicken here on the grill. New grill, by the way. Well, new to us. 20 bucks for aluminum grill. Don't find that anymore. But anyway, check this shit out. Is that an abscess? That is just... fuck it is. And then on this piece here, oh my fuck, I'm gonna puke. Look at that. That is just disgusting. I never noticed, well, I didn't put the chicken on here, my wife did. I'm working on a mower, and just come up here to turn them over and notice that. So yeah, beware. I don't know what they'll do with it. I guess I'll end up throwing it away. So there goes supper. Alright, just want to share that with you guys. I always got the camera with me, you know, in case something ever happens, but kind of disgusting in this situation. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Be careful of your meats, I guess. I don't know what else to say, but